You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation. If you want to learn more useful Australian vocabulary and names of famous places in Australia that are a bit confusing, make sure to stay tuned. I believe it's the highest mountain on the continent, Mount Kosciuszko. That's how they say it in Australia. If you want to learn how it's pronounced in Polish, I'll put a video right there for you in a second. But in English, Mount Kosciuszko. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.